you're wondering how many United States pennies it takes to equal 1 pound in weight, the answer is approximately 470 pennies. This is based on the standard weight of a post-1982 United States penny, which is approximately 2.5 grams. Pre-1982 pennies, which are almost entirely copper, weigh approximately 3.11 grams. Since there are approximately 453.6 grams in a pound, dividing 453.6 by 2.5 provides an approximate number of pennies. That calculation results in approximately 181.44 grams per pound. When you make a calculation of 453.6 divided by 2.5 for post-1982 pennies and 453.6 divided by 3.11 for pre-1982 pennies, you get the results for each. The composition of a United States penny has changed over time, impacting its weight. Pennies minted before 1982 are primarily composed of 95% copper and 5% zinc, while those minted after 1982 are primarily zinc with a thin copper plating. The weight difference stems from the different densities of copper and zinc. Copper has a higher density than zinc, meaning that for the same volume, copper weighs more. Because of the rising price of copper, the United States Mint switched to a cheaper metal, zinc, to reduce production costs. As a result, the post-1982 pennies are lighter. The actual number of pennies required to make a pound could vary slightly due to manufacturing tolerances. These variations, although small, can exist within batches of coins. These variations can be caused by slight differences in the composition and thickness of the materials used in the minting process. Therefore, 470 is only an approximation. To get a more precise answer, you would need to weigh a large sample of pennies and divide the total weight by the number of coins. This would provide a more accurate average weight for the pennies in your sample, and allow for a more precise calculation of the number of pennies needed to make a pound.